Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. Thank you guys so much for being here. Quick update, I did my first round of chemo last Thursday. I'm doing them weekly right now, and I actually tolerated it super well. Was not sick at all. I did take the nausea meds that they gave me, so I was pretty groggy those first few days, but I bounced back out of that and am feeling really, really good. So thank you so much for your prayers. I would appreciate continued prayers as we go through this, but I am just glad to be feeling good and really glad to be here. So today I have a Kohl's haul, but I'm going over some Mother's Day gift ideas. So these are like foolproof things that I feel like any mom would love. I would love any friend if you get gifts for sisters or friends for Mother's Day. I think these would be amazing, and they are all under $50. So everything will be linked in the video description, and we'll get started. You can also snag all these on an extra 20% off. I will put that code in the video description as well. But the first thing is this little hand blender. It says Hamilton Beach, great brand. I love this thing. I have one of these at home I use it as like a milk frother. If you ever want to do a latte or anything, it's really nice for that. I also use them a ton in soups. So if you want to do like potato soup, broccoli cheddar soup, something that you want it to be a little bit creamier, these are really, really great for that. You don't have to like pour them back out into a blender. You can just stick it right down in there and it works like a charm. Next are these two little finds from Dash. So I have one of these small waffle makers, and I think they are so cute. They're adorable, and they actually work really, really well. These are great if any mom you're shopping for has young kiddos, because my kids love these and they're the perfect little size for them. And then I also am linking this little egg bite maker. I haven't tried this one, but I love the waffle maker. I love this brand, and I think if you like to do eggs in the morning, these would be a really easy way to do them, and they would also be great for kiddos if they've got young kids. But these are both super affordable and would be really fun tied with like a cookbook or something like that too. I always feel like a pajama set is a foolproof gift option. I feel like any woman of any age would love a new pair of pajamas, and it sometimes is not something people buy themselves as often. So these are really, really cute. This is Sonoma brand. They are very soft, and they have a pants version. This orange and white stripe I thought was so cute. They also have a shorts version, and it also comes in a blue and white stripe too. This is a unique find, and this is a tiny little crock pot that's actually a lunchbox. So the top screws onto it and it stays nice and secure, and it's got a little handle that you can carry it with. You can put it inside a lunchbox as well, but then you plug it in like 30 minutes or an hour before you want to eat, and your lunch is all nice and warm. So this is really great if you don't have access to a microwave, or someone that you're buying for doesn't have access to a microwave. I know when I worked in an elementary school, there was one microwave and there was like 40 teachers trying to use it all at the same time. So this would have been really, really nice to have, and I think it makes a fun, unique gift. I don't know if there's anyone else out there like this, but if you want to know the way to my heart, get me a cookbook. I love nothing more than flipping through a new cookbook, and this one is gorgeous. It's got tons of healthy recipes in it, and it just looks really pretty. It's pretty if you want to display it somewhere. It's really pretty to look through. Big, bright, colorful pages with lots of pictures, and I love the recipes in this one. They also have some very nice throw blankets that are on deal as well, and I feel like this is something you can never really have too many of these. Like, these are really, really good quality. I love the white one with the tassels. This is gorgeous on the end of a bed. It's really pretty on a sofa or a chair, plus it's super soft. And then the other one is like a buccal, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, material, but it comes in gray and this really pretty sage green, and it's nice and soft as well, and these are really good size. I've actually never seen one of these before, but I think it is genius and so smart, and I want one of these for myself. This is a portable blender. I've been very into smoothies, making my green smoothies, especially given my current diagnosis. I just feel like that's one thing that I feel like I can do to get some extra greens in. But anyways, this is, you can put everything in it and then just push the button and blend it and drink it right there. So it's like blender, cup, everything all in one. It's nice for on the go. You could even throw everything in, put it in the fridge and blend it later if you want to take it like for work or whatever. Really cool gift idea, and I think this is something people wouldn't think of to buy themselves. If you've got anyone in your family, any moms that love tea, I love an electric tea kettle. I feel like they just kind of take the guesswork out of it. You don't have to mess with keeping the oven on. You just plug it in and it is ready to go for you. And this will hold lots of water, so you can do multiple different cups if you're having guests over. It's good for hot cocoa as well. And I think this is a really great brand. This is another one that I actually really want for myself. This is like a chips and salsa dish. So you have something you can put in the middle and then you can put things all around. I've seen people do these for fruit dip, for veggies and veggie dip, chips and salsa. If you have someone in your life that likes hosting, my mother-in-law is a wonderful hostess. She loves to have people over, and I think this would be a great gift for her. This is a cast iron griddle. I actually have one of these at home and we use it all the time, especially in the off season when we don't want to fire the grill up. I use this for meats, and you can do it for pancakes and all kinds of things, but I love the size of this one and this makes a great gift. Y'all know I had to include a couple pairs of shoes in here because I don't know about you, but anytime anyone gets me a pair of shoes, I don't care what holiday or what thing we're celebrating, it makes me a very happy girl. And this is also a go-to for me as a gift option if I happen to know their shoe size, because I just think they're joy bringers. But this is a little pair of white sandals. It's kind of like a slide, almost like a Birkenstock type sandal. Really comfy, cute gold buckle, and these come in black as well. I feel like this is a very foolproof, neutral pair of sandals that I think anyone would love and wear. This is like a rattan. These are Madden Girl, so a branch off of Steve Madden. Really good quality. They do come in, I think, brown and black, plain as well, but I personally love this kind of rattan sandal, and I think it is very popular right now. These just absolutely could not be cuter. I saw them and I was like, I want to take these home with me right now. But these are little bow heel, tiny heel on them, so they'll still be pretty comfortable. They come in this kind of canvasy taupe color and then a black, and they are from that Lauren Conrad line that I'm loving right now. I also feel like both my mom and my mother-in-law are very into gardening. They love planting flowers and having flowers and all the things, taking care of all their plant babies. And so I feel like this would be a really fun and unique gift option to do. You can buy these jars of herbs that are like self-watering and they just grow right in the jar and they're really cute. And then also this is just a cute kind of fun thing. You could do like a whole gardening themed gift with this little spray bottle, but I thought these were just adorable with the print on the side, and these are great for like spraying and cleaning the leaves too. Also, I feel like another foolproof thing for moms is a wicker basket. We love these things, don't we? I feel like you can never have too many. This size is perfect. I love a big wicker basket like these. I use these a ton in our house for toy storage because it's great to just be able to throw some of the like bigger things in them. We use them for blankets, pillows, all the things, but I feel like any woman would love to have another large basket. Last thing, I didn't include very much fashion in this one just because sometimes I feel like fashion can be a little bit harder to gift, or clothes can be a little bit harder to gift because you got to know sizing and all that. But I did want to include this denim top because I think this is a really good, simple basic that anyone would love. It's timeless, it's ageless, and I think the ruffles and everything are really cute on this. So if you know their size, this would be a great option too. That's a wrap on Mother's Day finds from Kohl's. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful season of May. And if you are a mom, I hope you feel very, very celebrated this Mother's Day. Thanks so much for watching.